Hey, Berjone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a world that's all around us, yet often goes unnoticed. A world of tiny titans, miniature marbles, and incredible life stories. We're talking about the secret lives of insects. You might think of them as just little critters buzzing around, but their lives are as dramatic and fascinating as any epic tale. From the moment they hatch, it's a race for survival. A journey of incredible transformation, and a quest to leave a legacy. Let's start at the very beginning. The egg. Insect eggs are masterpieces of design. They can be laid singly, like tiny hidden jewels, or in massive, intricate rafts. Some are glued to leaves, some are injected into plant stems, and others are even carried around by the mother for protection. The shape, size, and location are all part of a brilliant strategy to give the next generation the best possible start in life. For many, this is where their story begins, waiting for the perfect temperature or rainfall to signal that it's time to emerge. And when they do emerge, what happens next is one of nature's greatest magic tricks: metamorphosis. There are two main types. First, there's incomplete metamorphosis. Think of dragonflies or grasshoppers. The young, cold nymphs look like smaller, wingless versions of the adult. They'll eat, grow, and shed their skin, or molt, several times. With each molt, they get a little bigger, and their wing buds develop until one final molt reveals the magnificent winged adult ready to take to the skies. It's a gradual, steady progression towards maturity. But then there's the showstopper: complete metamorphosis. This is the story of butterflies, beetles, bees, and flies. The journey here has 4 distinct acts. Act 1. The larva. This is the eating machine stage. Think of a caterpillar munching on a leaf. Its sole purpose is to eat and grow, storing up all the energy it will need for the incredible change ahead. They can increase their body size thousands of times during this stage. Once the larva is full and has stored enough energy, it enters Act 2. The pupa. This is the stage that seems so still and quiet from the outside, but inside it's a whirlwind of transformation. The caterpillar, for example, forms a chrysalis, or a moth spins a cocoon. Within this protective casing, its entire body is being reorganized. The larval structures are broken down and reassembled into the completely different form of the adult. It's like a biological construction site, turning a soft-bodied crawler into a winged wonder. It's a period of incredible vulnerability, where the pupa relies on its camouflage and casing to stay safe from predators. And then, the grand finale, Act 3, the emergence of the adult, the adult insect breaks free from its pupal case. A butterfly carefully pumps fluid into the veins of its crumpled wings, slowly expanding them to their full, glorious size before they harden. A beetle pushes its way out of its pupal cell in the soil. This is the moment they've been preparing for their entire lives. Now, as adults, their priorities shift completely. The frantic eating of the larval stage is replaced by a new, singular focus: reproduction. The adult stage is all about finding a mate and ensuring the continuation of their species. This is where we see some of the most amazing behaviors in the animal kingdom. Fireflies use intricate light signals, flashing their own unique codes in the dark to find a partner. Male crickets chirp beautiful songs to attract females, each species with its own distinct melody. Moths release invisible clouds of pheromones that can attract a mate from miles away. Some male beetles have enormous horns they use to joust with rivals, all for the right to mate. It's a world filled with courtship rituals, dazzling displays, and fierce competition. Once they've successfully mated, the female's job is to lay her eggs, bringing the entire story full circle. She must find the perfect spot, the right plant for her caterpillars to eat. A safe place hidden from predators, or a nutrient-rich patch of soil. Her choice will determine the success of the next generation. For many insects, this final act is the culmination of their life's work. After laying their eggs, their journey is complete, and their energy is spent. But the story of insects is also a story of community and cooperation. Think of a beehive or an ant colony. These aren't just collections of individuals. They are superorganisms, where tens of thousands of insects work together for the good of the whole. There's a queen who lays all the eggs. There are workers who forage for food, care for the young, and defend a nest. Each insect has a specific job, performing it tirelessly. This incredible social structure allows them to achieve things that a single insect never could, from building massive, complex nests to cultivating their own food. From the solitary hunter to the member of a bustling metropolis, every insect has a vital role to play in our planet's ecosystems. They are pollinators that help our plants produce fruit and flowers. They are decomposers that recycle nutrients and clean up the environment. They are a crucial food source for countless birds, fish, and mammals. Without them, our world would look very, very different. So, the next time you see a beetle scurrying across the path, a butterfly flitting from flower to flower, or hear the buzz of a bee, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has been on. Its life is a testament to resilience, transformation, and the intricate beauty of the natural world. Each one is a survivor, parent, and a vital part of the web of life. Their stories are unfolding all around us, every single day. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the miniature world of insects. I hope it's given you a new appreciation for these amazing creatures. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. We'll see you in the next one.